What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping in to close out the week, man. I want to just say major salute to those of you that did your thing this week. Matter of fact, if you made money this week, let me know down in the comments below. Listen, guys, as always, I got a jam-packed video for you all, so please keep it locked. Make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Check this one out. Loving on the family. Matthew Perry, if you see this, man, thank you so much for this, because this is what people need to hear and see. He titled this, guys, Never Panic. I'm doing just fine. He said, what's good, coach? I'm doing just fine. Turning a losing trade into a winner. Guys, follow this, guys. This is the life of a trader. This is where you guys are going to evolve to when you start implementing being flexible and nimble. Follow this. Listen to this, guys. Started the day off with 3 contracts. Was down about $59. I bought 1 contract at the starting bell because the market was positive. That gave me 4 contracts. I noticed the momentum of the buyers fading and bought 2 more contracts, giving me a total of 6. At 5:42.27, about 9:55 Eastern time, further lowering my average cost. This is guys. Understand, in options, just like we can do in our investment side, you can bring your average cost down. If your entry was wrong and you didn't go all in with too much size right when you first get your play, you can buy more contracts to bring your average cost of your options down. That's what he's doing. Follow this, because this is a good lesson, okay? He said markets made the down move I was looking for at about 10 a.m. So he is letting you guys know he had a plan in mind. This was strategic. This wasn't just trading by the seat of your pants. This was strategy. He was looking for a downward move and it came at 10. So that was the first 30 minutes. Do I always tell you guys in Discord sometimes wait the first 15 to 30 minutes, because you get a different kind of clarity. You get a different kind of move, especially sometimes if they have news that come out at 10. He said, boom, straight down to the 540s. Contracts were then down only $12. So he went from being down $59 to $12. Sold 4 and kept 2 runners. I bought 1 more at the end of the day just to get my average cost down and assist with my delta to theta ratio. Guys, listen to this. He said, as soon as the market opens, first move down, I'm out. You guys see how that's called having a trading plan. He isn't waiting for some arbitrary point in time. Soon as the market opened and the first move down, he's out. That is trading with a plan. That is seeing profit, taking profit, getting in and getting out. Not overstaying your welcome is what we call that, okay? He said, I know this is risky, but I'm willing to lose for the lesson. Because, guys, as I teach around here, sometimes the lesson is inside the loss. And if you can learn from a loss and like, you know what, I could have did this, or next time I see this setup, I'm gonna do that. I'm telling you guys, it makes you that much better, okay? He said, thank you so much for all you do for the financial community. Matthew Perry, I want to say major salute, man. I read this, I fell in love with this, and I was like, man, I can't wait to share this with the family, because everything about what you did, I can't wait to just see the future 3 months, 6 months, 9 months from now, to see how you're moving and grooving and postured and positioning in the game, okay? But check it out, guys. I want to hear from you. If you did your thing this week as well, let me know in the comments below. If you had some strategies, if you had some different ways you had to be flexible and nimble in your trades this week, let me know down in the comments below. Check it out, guys. Getting right to the stocks, man, that can change your life. Obviously, guys, you already know Nvidia is top of my list. Ticker symbol NVDA. This one is up over 8.5% on the week. This one split this week, guys. I was telling you, so stocks, and I'll do this for you guys, but I want you guys to do it too. Look for any stock splits that's on the horizon. Typically, when a stock split is announced, the stock is going to run up leading up into that split. That's what Nvidia did. It ran up to $1,200. So when it split, it was 120. The 10-to-1 split made it 120. Since 120, look at this, guys. I told you the other day, when I talked about the 5 AI stocks, or the 5 stocks to buy before Nvidia buys them, I said Nvidia is about to go to 130. Look at where Nvidia is at right now, sitting at 131.25. They was up 8.5%. They were just at 120. Now they're already at 131. Again, on any dips and pullbacks we see this week, use it as a opportunity to get in so that you're part of the run up, okay? And if you really want to make some money, consider playing options with it, because you don't even need the move to go up $11 for it to be a home run, okay? Put Nvidia on your radar for me, all right? Another one I want on your radar is Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, sitting at $23.46. This one was up 1.38% on the day. But check this out, guys. If you got this around $20, you're sitting up $3 right now, okay? Once it's done consolidating, once you get out of those periods where it just kind of stay around the same zone, you got 23, 27, and when we finally crack 27, that's going to open the door for $30, guys. Please keep those levels 23, 27, and 30 on your radar. Where do you buy it at? 20 and below. Where do you buy it at? 20 and below. Make sure you follow this, write this stuff down. I want to see you win, and I want to see you execute, all right? And then check this one out, Meta. Ticker symbol META. This one is sitting at 503.48. This one was up almost 6.5% in the last month. But check this out. I told you when this was $400, get Meta, because this is going back to 500. Look at where we're at, guys. We're sitting at 503. So we're $3 above my price target. But this one, I can't wait. When this one pulls back, guys, I'm gonna go harder this time. I ain't go hard enough for Meta. I'm gonna go hard for Meta next time. When this come back to 444, 464, stuff like that, I'm moving all the other stuff out the way. All that SoFi and all that stuff, we gonna move that out the way. I'm gonna put this front and center in your head so that you guys can see Meta's a beast. Okay, this is one of the stocks you want to trade, you want to invest in, and you want to have it as one of your dividend plays. It's a triple threat. Okay, but again, guys, listen, man, these are 3 plays I have on your radar. Of course, my list is long and strong, but I don't ever want to overwhelm you. I feel like if I put these 3 quality opportunities in front of you, you guys can do a lot with these, whether you trade them, whether you invest in them. Okay, but check this out, guys. Listen, major salute this week. I want you to use the weekend to reflect on the week it was, the good, the bad, the highs, and the lows for me, okay? Because next week we going to get after it, but I got a feeling one of the days we will have closed for a holiday, okay? So you won't get the full 5 days. So I need us to get busy with the days we do have. Does that make sense? All right, so listen, the link in the description for the Discord is down below, okay? And you have another link for the money team for everybody else that wants to hit it out the park first thing Monday morning, okay? And for the rest of the week. But listen to this, guys. Again, understand that it's a marathon. I want you to embrace everything that comes with this game. All right, but I want you to find what works for you. That's what makes it all worth it. Finding out of everything you learn from me, out of everything I pour into you, others that may pour into you, okay, you still got to find what works for you. So for example, guys, I like to scalp. All right, meaning I'm in and out within 15 minutes. I don't trade no more than 2 hours. Does that make sense? But that works for me. You might be like, Coach, I like to let my plays run 2 or 3 days because I get a bigger win. Okay, and that's a winning strategy as well. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Okay, but you got to find what works for you. Some of you guys might like leaps. You might want to hold your play for 3, 6, 9 months and see how high it go. Okay, some of you might now be open to making money with puts when the market goes down. Nevertheless, guys, there's no wrong way to do any of this. It's finding what works for you. That is key. I like swings, okay? Like, so for example, guys, like our video, like Tesla. I couldn't wait to Tesla to get to 177 because now I got swings out to July 5th. so I could just put my feet up. I ain't caring about if it go up and down. I know by July 5th, it's going to be at 185. Does that make sense? And so that play is strategically a swing. But other play, Monday morning, I'm coming out the gate going for a quick $2, $3, $4, $5,000 because I'm gonna be in sniper mode. I'm gonna be in surgical mode, operating on the market. Okay, and so again, it's strategies. It's me knowing before the day even start what strategy I'm going to employ. Okay, and so I want you guys to figure out what works for you. There's no right or wrong, but you gotta go with what's either leading you to more success, leading you to a higher win rate, or leading to you something that you feel comfortable with. Okay, that's what it comes down to. Try it all because you need to know. That's why with me, if you ever do one-on-one coaching, I make you learn patterns. I make you trade bull flags, bear flags, gap fills, whether gap up or down, double tops and double bottoms, because you need to figure out, Coach, I'm 3 for 3 with this one. I'm 1 out of 3 with this one. I'm 0 for 3 with this one. We need to be able to go through that exploratory phase so I can figure out and help you figure out what patterns do you like. Okay, so guys, this is a marathon. Give yourself grace. It took me 2.5 years of primarily losses to master this craft. If you haven't been doing it longer than me or took as many losses as me, keep giving yourself grace, guys. Take all of these lessons in stride. Okay, listen, guys, we're gonna get up out of here. Great job this week. We make videos every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see end result. Bear, if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.